Beautiful and latest amigurumi turtle are adorable crochet or tons of toys in the shape of turtles. You can find various amigurumi turtle pattern online or in craft books to create your own. This little uh, creature and are perfect for decoration or has uh, cuddly compassion. If you have any specific question about making an amigurumi turtle or need a tracking, feel free to ask. Here are some creative ideas can you explore. Create handmade decoration like wall hanging, costume artwork, or decorative pillow to add yes best turtle toy looks. So I hope you like it, guys. Please keep sharing and watching my video and see this video till the end, and mention in comment section what your feedback and response. So I hope you like it, guys. Please keep sharing and watching my video. Press the bell icon, and I have some related ideas for crochet pattern like crochet handbags and crochet pillow cushion covers and crochet toys, different crochet pattern, creative ideas and styling crochet stitches pattern. So I hope you like